empty street at 4 a.m. Neon on busted signs, breathing in the taste of rain, laughing like we lost our minds. You drew shapes on my wrist, the lines that never look straight. Said we're too young for maps, let's just risk being late. Color runs in the rain, dripping down our shoes, our names, every thought, every stain, washing off, we're not the same. Color runs in the rain, let it bleed from our mistakes, let it blur, let it fade, till we're bright enough to break. Oh, oh. Streetlight buzzing, crooked wires, sidewalk chalk on both our knees. You said truth is always tired from fighting what it wants to be. You traced roads in the air, said I'm scared I might stay. I said maybe that's fair, we can lose it all today. Color runs in the rain, dripping down our shoes, our names, every thought, every stain, washing off, we're not the same. Color runs in the rain, let it bleed from our mistakes, let it blur, let it fade, till we're bright enough to play. You spin in the puddles, talk in a rush, words fall out, then you hush. Heartbeat louder than the storm in the clouds, whisper, don't slow down, don't slow down. Color runs in the rain.